My shoes are filled with dirt right now.
Not mine.
Literally. They're literally filled with dirt.
Hey everyone. Man, my voice. I need a new one.
What do you mean? Your voice is cute. Not the
I
best
sound
for
like a little
showbiz.
kid.
Hey everyone!
This week on our cabin build future Airbnb compound, we are showing you guys our septic system that we got installed.
Our utilities, our power and water and stuff are all installed and backfilled, and it's ready for the septic guys to get started.
Oh, honey. Let me see.
Like it?
Let me see.
I already don't get
Oh my gosh. Hey, Junie.
Oh my god.
Hey.
Look at that. Is that our garage?
This is our shop, yeah.
Did you like the
Careful, Junie. And Hank. You get through. Oh, June, you are so dirty already. Gosh. So first you'll see we had a meeting with the septic guy.
We met for a little pre-construction meeting.
Did a little business, and since the island is like an hour-and-a-half trip from our house with the ferry ride and everything, we decided to surprise the kids and take them to the fair.
Went to the beach, had lunch, and then went to the fair, and yeah, it was a great time. Fun.
Yeah.
Super fun.
Lucky.
Sand dollar.
Nice.
What is
That's
this?
awesome. It's in perfect condition.
What is this?
It's a sand dollar. Wow, that's so cool.
Can I have a drink to that thing?
Hold it together.
Got a shady Ellison. Careful with them.
Okay.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay, hit the bullseye, June.
Right in the middle. Right in the middle, right there. Right there, June.
Go, Hank, go, Hank, go, Hank. Woo! Hank, you're winning.
Keep it going.
Woo! Nice. Poop emoji crow. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Let me see. You scored.
Ooh, nice throw. Here. Throw it up higher.
Oh, close, dude. Oh, Dad tried.
Try it.
Ready? Oh, it's windy out.
Oh, Dad got one in.
We just want to go up there.
Woo, that's so awesome.
We get 2 fish, but we got 1 in.
Yeah, that was so nice of her.
Wow.
What'd you win? Jim,
Show
what'd you
Mom.
win?
Show Mom.
Oh,
Is that a llama?
It's so cute.
playing the darts
I want to ride.
on the ride. That looks scary.
All All right.
Hi, sister. Wind it up, bud.
One more time. More. Okay, bud.
Woo, good job.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You guys. Yep, you're tall enough.
Hey, Dad.
That's not your dad.
Where is Daddy?
Dad's over there.
Hey!
Are you having fun at the fair, honey?
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Wow. Let's go to the fun house. Let's go to the fun house.
So it's Monday and we're getting our septic put in today. Jordan's at work. So me and the kids are headed out to Woodby and we're going to just get some footage of the septic being put in and the drain filled and our reserve and everything, and just kind of show you guys what's going on with that. So we're here now, and they got one of the tanks put in. They're in the middle of burying it, and then you gotta go poop? Okay, we'll go to the porta potty. Hold that thought. So here's our drain field right here, where it's all roped off. We're going to the porta potty. There's Septic. One of them. There's another one. So reserve and drain field. It's funny they don't want you to disturb the drain field because it looks pretty disturbed to me after they got through with it.
Hey.
Hey, Daddy.
Hey, what's up?
Good. Yeah, and they dig this enormous hole that we haven't seen yet. Whoa! Wow.
You were freaking out?
Wow.
Hey, make sure to listen to your mom.
Okay, love you. Bye, honey.
Okay, bye, guys.
Bye.
Yeah, send pictures.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye, honey. That's my honey.
Dad's your honey. Dad's my honey. Oh, goodness.
Oh my God.
Good thing I brought a change of clothes.
Okay, today we'll be going up the giant hill. My shoes are filled with dirt right now. Literally. They're literally filled with dirt. There's our digger. Digger-rigger. There's a pump system. There's that truck. There's poo. Bird poo.
So as you can see behind me, they're bringing in 2 more tanks. Or maybe just 1 more tank. I didn't even get a look. So
Yeah, they're bringing in 2 more.
2 more?
The drain field had to go in a certain area that was approved because that's where the soils were the best, but the tank location could kind of vary. We put the tanks down by the wetland buffer area.
We put them as far away from the cabin as we could, so that way in the future we can build a big retirement home if we'd like, or maybe another home structure, Airbnb rental property. Either way, we have the option now in the future to build something.
Also with our system, we sized it to be a 4-bedroom because we figured we'd get approval for a 4-bedroom, build our cabin's a 2-bedroom cabin. In case in the future we wanted to build another house, then we could, you know, put another 2-bedroom in there, 2-bedroom for the cabin, and then we wouldn't have to upgrade the system at all. And so we figured we might as well do it all now, bury the stuff. It costs a little more money, but we didn't want to have to add storage and add drain field. It would have been a total pain in the butt. So we have a 4-bedroom system with a drip field. It has 2 1,000-gallon tanks and then 1 1,250-gallon tank. So from the cabin, it drains out gravity down the hill to all the holding tanks. It treats it all, and then it shoots with a pump, shoots it all uphill, basically to the crest of like the top of our property where it's the highest point, and then it drains down with gravity through a drip field system. We didn't get footage of the drip field being installed. She was only out there for the days that they installed the tanks, but the drip field is basically a bunch of 1.25 inch tubing, and it just goes like this. We had to have about a 1,500 square foot area for a 4-bedroom system, and we actually had to have 2 1,500 square foot areas, one for the drip field and then one for the reserve drip field if it were to fail.
So this 4-bedroom septic system with a drip field cost us $24,500.
Quite a bit of money. But we had other bids that were like 32, 30, 32, so you know, whatever.
We feel good about it.
And he did a really good job, he really did.
Yeah.
I mean,
and they were really nice, and
yeah, a good family business.
So.
He's been doing it for years. It was our biggest cost to date as far as for one single thing, but you know, it's one of the most important things, and we know we won't ever have to upsize it, so I feel pretty good about it.
Thanks for watching, you guys. We'll see you next week. Okay, so I'll see you next week.
Sure.
Okay.
Same time.
Yep. Same place, same time.
See ya.
Bye.